Teresa here, and I've got a lot to share with you for free on how you can run a really cool contest to build your following online. Take people from social media that are faceless and nameless and make them known. Give them rewards and do it the right way so that you don't earn yourself a nasty $10,000 fee from the FCC. That's true. A lot of people are running contests online and giveaways, but they don't know how to do it the correct way. Either they don't know simply that there are broadcasting rules that state what is a contest, what is a sweepstakes giveaway, and what is considered a lottery. And let me tell you, you don't want to find out that your contest that you were running, just following what everyone else was doing, actually turned out to be a lottery. What? I know. So instead of having to do all this research that you can see here, this is just some of it, I'm condensing it all for you into a free webinar. You just need to sign up below, okay? And I'll give you all the details for the free live webinar. And if you missed it, there's going to be a recorded playback in the membership area. And again, it's free, so you have nothing to lose. And if you are actually looking to gain a reliable, reputable, and respectable online e-commerce business one of these days with the way coronavirus is going, I'm telling you, whether you have a business already that you're trying to save, a brick and mortar, or you're a startup, or you're just wishing you could have your own business, let me tell you, we're sitting in my business here, Northern California's first alternative fitness hair salon, a private studio where I cater to helping you build up your self-worth, your accountability, and totally you're able to monetize and create and manifest a life that means something to you. Isn't that important? Don't you wish you had more of this kind of support in your life? So no matter where you are, you can participate in this free webinar. And yes, there will be a contest, a sweepstakes of sorts for you to learn about once you register. I can't give you too many details because where's all the fun in that? You gotta join and participate, become a real deal person here, become a willpowered beauty, and you will not be sorry, okay? We have some fantastic symposiums coming up online and in person when this coronavirus lockdown ever lifts. We'll get together in person, not just online with live webinars and recorded playbacks. We are gonna make this a place where you thrive. We're gonna work on your primal and your modern day human urges. What is that? I don't know. Do I know? Yeah, I sure do. All right. I'm like this all the time. So I bet you need a little bit of this kick in the pants kind of boot camp style, love, tough love energy, right? So sign up right now below. It's free. And you're going to learn all my coolest stuff on how to run a contest or sweepstakes properly online so you don't get fined $10,000 from the FCC. On top of that, you're going to get access to three free PDF downloads that I have made to help support you on your journey for creating social media contests, okay? So number one is a legal sized, I make these all on my own. These are amazing, okay? I love detail. So yeah, you can't clearly read it from where you're at. That's why you gotta download it, okay? Get it for free. Register now below. This is gonna tell you how to set up your contests, your promotions, and specific offers. And I have the best information because I have been researching like a madwoman, can you tell, for years and years. So I have condensed it here and made it a cheat sheet. And then on the other side, it's the same thing, but I like to color it in with journaling pens and make it my own and fill in my own notes, okay? So that's just one. But I said you're gonna get 1, 2, 3 free PDFs. You're also gonna get this PDF, which again is a legal size. Legal size, not just regular paper, okay? This is regular size paper. Legal size paper is so much bigger. I love lots of space. So this is a 5-week at-a-glance document where you can, go from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. and help plan out your day. Gonna be great. On the other side, same exact layout, but different color scheme. Maybe you need some extra notes. I don't know, but it's gonna be free to you. Just sign up below for the webinar on how to get started. The third one, because I said 1, 2, and 3, I haven't finished it yet, but you can see this is a rough draft form. Again, in the giant size that we're used to seeing, instead of just a small one, it's a big one. And this one is important. This is the major one that you're going to want to have in your hand. Because when you're using social media like Instagram, you're going to need a planning system to help create an aesthetically pleasing layout and keep your topics organized and not scattered. And you're going to need it done by the day and at an 8-day forecast so that you can make sure that you're consistent and people know what to expect from you from day to day, and it makes your life easier. You're not going to wake up wondering like, oh my God, what do I do today? It's going to be a breeze. I'm going to show you how to plan it out. And we also, on the other side, have your average, how many times a day you're going to post. You know, is it 1 time, 10 times? What's recommended? I'm going to help you with that, okay? So free, this is your third one. And when I finish getting feedback from you in the free webinar, that's when I'm going to finish this one with your feedback. Isn't that cool? So after you get to the free webinar, your suggestions, comments, and questions are going to help create the final product on the free PDF that you get to download after you attend the free webinar, okay? So I hope to see you there, and if you have any questions or suggestions on exactly what this is about and who I am, please send me a message. Send it to mygoals@willpowerisbeauty.com. Yes, mygoals@willpowerisbeauty.com. And I, Teresa Ornelas, personally will answer all your questions. So with that, I bid you adieu, and I can't wait to see you next time when I bring out the rules on how to run an awesome contest and sweepstakes that won't get you fined $10,000 from the FCC. Bye.